Hi there, this is Yuchen Lin, and I'm going to talk my sprint 2. Okay, for this sprint, starting from April 26th to May 10, I finished most functions in this sprint. So for WebSocket implementations, I actually encountered a problem where I have to maintain the secure sockets connection from different users, or all of them will use one message for updating. So I have found a way to use a user-related token to create multiple message queue for socket connections with different users. And also in this sprint, I have also partially implemented find existing chat functions. So which need to be started on, which this part is actually need to be started in the sprint 4, but I have finished part. And that's why it takes more time for me to solve the WebSocket problems. And I have also created another task for represent the leftover work in this sprint to sprint 3. And I will focus on finish this leftover task at first in the sprint 3. Okay, so what I've done, I've already, as last time mentioned, create a database to store chat history for different threads, create test cases for testing functionalities, create front-end views to display context list and chat room, create backend service, and build a one-on-one chat. Okay, and let's see the burn down chat for now. Here, as I mentioned, I take a little bit over than I expected because I have some problem in the WebSocket, and I also finished some part that should be done in Spring 4. Okay, and let me show you what I have done in the real demo. Oh, before I'm going through that, I want to show you my test cases part. So I have done all my test cases, and here is my solar cube, which it shows my testing coverage is 88.7%, and here is all my unit tasks. Also, you can take a look. Oh, sorry, this one. Mhm. Okay, and let me show you how the real demo looks like. So for here, let me first assign sign up some new users first, so I can show you how I'm going to add friends and also start a chat to it. So let's say my new user is QQQ and password QQQ, first name QQQ, last name QQQ, and just random things. And I sign up. Normally it takes a while for signing up. Let's see if it actually takes longer than I expected. Probably it's my internet issue. Let's see if this. Okay, no. So let's start again. Okay, that should be good. So I have successful sign up, and as I said, I can log in using this new account, and inside I can search some peoples from it. So I can say I'll search ABC, and this is new person, so I added it. And once I show it, oh, I need to refresh. Once I show it, there's some bug. I need to fix that. So whenever I add a new friend, it shows under my name, but it should be on their name. So there's a bug I need to fix. And let me add some more. So let me add another new person, Jack. So whenever I start a new one, it will show on the top of the existing one. Like Jacqueline will appear in front of a railing, area. And whenever I redo the search, sorry, Subbox. Whenever I redo the search, whenever I search Peters, it's on the top. Okay, and whenever I redo the search, probably Jack, I'll have DF and start chat, and this Jack will appear in the front of my chat. Okay, there's some bug still involved, but I'm going to fix it in Sprint 3. That's all I have for this sprint. Thank you.